Welcome to IAC. Today we are going to discuss SSC CHSL 26th October 2020 Shift 1 Reasoning Explanation. Take your first question. Question number 1. The sequence of folding a piece of paper and the manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figures. How would this paper look when it is unfolded? Now, often this one is our paper, it is divided to two parts, right is folded to left. We are having on this left part, again this left part, again divided to two parts, left is folded again corner, this left corner. Now we are having only this one, here they given are two rhombus shape cuts in. Now, folding is from left to right, that means unfolding is from right to left. Right to left means here, these two rhombus will fall here. Next one. Next, here folding is from right to left, unfolding is from left to right. Left to right means these four will fall here and like this. So like this, which are the following figure is there? So like this here, option D is there. So answer is part option D. Question number 1, option D is the answer. Question number 2, select the option in which the figure given below is embedded. Rotation is not allowed. So this shape is hidden in which are the following four figures. First one it is not there, here also it is not there. Next one B it is not there, so answer is for D. In option D, C once here this shape is hidden, so answer is for option D. Question number 3, here the given statement is for Deepali is daughter of Vijay. Take care, Deepali, this is the daughter of Vijay. Next one, who is married to Sunita? Here who qualifies here? Vijay. Who qualifies? Vijay. Vijay is married to Sunita and Vijay is married to Sunita. Leave it. If Deepali is the wife of Mohit. Now, Deepali is the wife of Mohit. That means these two are couple. This one is wife means this one is compulsory husband plus. Next, then how is Mohit is related to Vijay? Vijay daughter is for Deepali, Deepal husband is for Mohit. That means here daughter's husband is for son-in-law is the answer. So answer is for option A. Question number 4, 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. So select the different one. So here odometer, this one is used to measure rain gauge. That means in particular area, in particular time, how much water is there. Next, ohmbrometer, this one also used to measure here rain gauge. Next one here, a pluviometer, this one also used to measure the rain gauge. Next one, decibel meter, this one is used to measure the sound. So these two are the used to measure the here rain content. This one is used to measure the sound. So a different one is for option B. Question number 5, select the option that will fill in the blank and complete the given series. Now we are going to replace this blank space. And friends, for this type of question, simple logic is take diagram 2, compare with the diagram 1. In diagram 1, here arrow is left corner. Diagram 2, it is right down right corner. Again it is left corner. That means next diagram it should be down right corner. Now suppose friends take it. That means we are going to eliminate option B. Now A chance, C chance, next D also chance. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, in diagram 2, next once if you are going to observe here, again this star is for down, but it is again this corner. That means interchanging and now again it is down, it should be in this corner again. So star leftmost top corner, which one is there? 3 diagrams it is there, leave it. Next one. Friend, next one is for here triangle and this hexagon. These two are also interchanging. Here triangle, again hexagon. Again hexagon, triangle, that means here triangle is funny spot, here hexagon. So which one is there here? Again all options are there. Next leave it. Next one. This arrow marks here like this, again here like this. That means here from take diagram 2 compare with diagram 1. Here 90 degrees anti-clockwise, again 90 degrees anti-clockwise, again 90 degrees anti-clockwise means it should be upside. So arrow mark should be upside. Which diagram is there? Option C is there, so answer is for option C. Question number 6, select the term that will come next in the following series. Friends, if the given series is like this means first letter is first sequence, second letter is second sequence. Now Y, W, U, S, Q, question mark. Next one is for F, J, N, R, V. Next one. Suppose Y and W, logic is for -2. W and U, -2. U and S, -2. S and Q also, -2. That means here Q -2. Q is for 17. -2 is for 15. 15 is for O. Starting with O, we are having two options. Next go for second series. F and J, logic is for +4. J and N, here, +4. N and R, 14, 18. That means +4. R 18, V 22, +4. Next, V 22 plus 4 is what? 26. 26 means what here? Z. So answer is what? OZ. Option B is the answer. Question number 7. Select the number that will come next in the following series. Here the given is what? 487, 502. Next one, 518. Next one is 535. Next one is question mark. Suppose friends, once if you are going to observe here, difference is how much here? 3, next 13, total is what? 15 difference. Here difference is how much here? 16. Next difference is what? Here 17. Next one is what? Here 18. So here 548, next 553. So answer is what? Option B is the answer. So here logic is what? Difference is 15, 16, 17, 18. So answer is what? 553. Question number 8. Select the Venn diagram that best represents the relation between the following classes: Solar System, Earth, Jupiter. Now friends, Earth and Jupiter, these two are the planets in the solar system. That means here Earth is different and Jupiter is different, but both are in the solar system. Both are in the solar system. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 9. 4 lateral clusters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the different one. Suppose friends, take here the given is what? CF, I, M. C face value 3, otherwise no need to take face value. Friends, suppose C and F, logic is what? This one is what? +3. F and I, this one is what? +3. I and M, +4. Next go for second option. AD, next one is GJ. Now friends, take care. A plus 3 is for D. D plus 3, G. G plus 3 is for J. Next, go for your third option. Here, F and I, logic is for +3. I and L, +3. L and O, +3. Next, E and H. E and H logic is for +3. E face value 5, H is for 8, +3. H and K, +3. K and N also, +3. So, which of the following is different one means? So, answer is for CF, IM, answer is for option A. Why means? For first letter to second letter to third letter to fourth letter, here logic is +3, except option A. Question number 10. 3 different positions of the same die are shown. Select the letter that will be on the face opposite to the having S. Opposite to S is which one? Friends, take it to use, then compare your choice. But in one view, compulsory S should be there. If I am going to take here view number 2 and 3 and view number 2 and 3. In the two different views of a one die, one number is same on different face. Here we are having F, here also we are having F. So one letter is same is, then apply clockwise rotation from common letter. Now F onwards clockwise. F, next one is for D, next one is for here E. F onwards clockwise is for F, next one is for G, next one is for S. That means opposite to S is for E. So answer is for option C. Question number 11. Select the option that is related to the third term in the same way second term is related to first term. Belt is related to leather. Friends, belt is prepared by using leather and by using leather we are going to prepare belt. Bread. Bread, how we are going to prepare bread? Bread means by using flour. By using flour. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 12. Study the following given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark. Now, take here given one. 116, 3, 7, 160, 8, 4. That means, friends, starting we are having big number, but here we are having small numbers. That means, max and logic is, by taking these two numbers, you should get this big number. How? Suppose friends, take here 7 plus 3. Here, how much here? 10. 10 square is here 100. 10 square is what? 100. 100 plus 16. 100 plus 16 is what? 116. That means your logic is what? Sum of first to last two numbers, then square for that square plus 16. Now, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is what? Here 12. 12 square is what? 144. Plus 16 is what? Here 150, 160. Same manner here 2 plus 13. Total is what? Here 15. 15 square is what? 225. 225 plus 16. Total is what? Here 230, 236, 241. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 13. In a certain code language, smart, SMART, smart is written as AMRST. Then design is written here. Friends, simply here logic is for alphabetical order and lowest alphabet is what? A. After A, next one is what? M. Next R. Next one S. Next one is what? T. That means simple logic is what? Alphabetical order. Simply same manner. Given one is what? Design. Lowest one D. After that E. After E, next one is what? G. Next one is what? I. Next one is N. Next one is what? S. So answer is what? Option A. D E G I N S. So here logic is what? Alphabetical order. Otherwise ascending order. Low to high. So answer is option A. Question number 14. Which two signs should be interchanged to balance the given equation? So for this one, compulsory logic is what? You should go with options and. Suppose here into plus means what? Here plus plus means what? Here into. Now take this one is what? 4 plus 3 into 10 minus 2 divided by 7 equal to 10. 2 by 7 means we will get here fraction. No need to get here. No chance to get 10. Why means here we are going to get fraction, but here we are having exact value. So option 1 no chance. Go for option number 2, divided by and minus. If minus is there means what? Divide by there means what? Minus. Now 4 into 3 plus 10 by 2 is what? 5 minus 7 equal to 10. Next one is what? 12 plus 5 minus 7 is what? Here 10. Total is what? 17 minus 7. Total is what? 10 equal to 10. That means by interchanging divided by and minus, we are going to get equation is balance. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 15. Select the option that is related to the third number in the same way second number is related to the first number. Friend, these two are related based upon one feature. That same feature is applicable for third one and fourth one. How? 7. Friend, 7 before number is what? Here 6. Otherwise 7 minus 1 is what? Here 6. 7 into 6 is what? 42. In the same manner 18. 18 minus 1 is what? Here 17. 18 into 17. 18 into 7 is what? Here 56. Ending digit is 6 and 18 into 7 is what? 56. Ending digit is 6. Ending digit is 6. Where it is there? Option D is there. So here 18 into 17. Answer is what? 306. Answer is what? Option D. 4 number pairs have been given, out of which 3 are alike, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now 156, 12 and 240, 15, 210, 14, 276, 16. Suppose friends 12, next number is what? 13. 12 into 13 is what? 156. 15, next number is what? 16. 15 into 16 is what? 240. 14, next number is what? 15. 14 into 15 is what? 210. 16 into next number is what? 17. 16 into 17 is what? 272. But here they given 276. So this is the different one. So here logic is what? That number plus that number into next number multiplication equal to resultant one. 12 into 13 resultant number, 15 into 16 resultant number, 14 into 15 resultant number, but it is not following. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 17. In a certain code language, golf, GOLF is written as here 60. Next one is what? Start, START. Start is written as 117. Suppose one check the logic. G face value 7, O is what? 15, L is what? 12, F is what? 6. Total is how much here? So here 11, next 13, next one is what? 20. Total is what? 20, this one is what? Here 4. Total is what? 40, but they given 60. That means here into 1.5. That means here logic is what? Sum of the alphabets into 1.5. Suppose check here. S face value 90, T face value 20, A is 1, R is 18, now T is what? 20. So here 40, next 60, next one is what? Here 78. 78 into 1.5 and 78 into 1, 78. Next 78 half is what? Here 339. So total is what? Here 117. That means here logic is what? Sum of face values into 1.5. N face value 14, E is what 5, S is 19, T is what 20. Total is what? Here 14 total is what? 18, 4, 58. 58 now into 1.5 into half is what? 29 and now 17 total is what? Here 87 is the answer. So answer is what? Option C. Here logic is what? Sum of the face values into 1.5. Question number 18. Select the letter that can replace the question mark in the following series respectively. That means first question mark, next second question mark. Suppose Z, C, F, next one is question mark. Suppose Z and C logic is what? Plus 3. C and F logic is what? Plus 3. Next F plus 3. F is what? 6. 6 plus 3 is what? 9. 9 means what? I. So first question mark is what? I. That means starting is I. Which option is there? Only one option is there. Option D is the answer. If you want means go for second also. Here K and H logic is what? Minus 3. H and E minus 3. E and B minus 3. Now B minus 3 and B minus 3 is what? Here Y. So here this one is what? Y. So first question mark is what? I. Second question mark is what? Y. Answer is option D. Question number 19. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark. Now we are going to replace this question mark present. 3 to 4, 30, 10 question mark, 84, 18, 260. Suppose from take here. 84 by 3. 84 by 3 is what? This one is what? 3 2s are. Next one is what? Here 28 plus. Next one here digit is what? 3. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Now 28 plus 2 is what? 28 plus 2 is what? This one is what? Here 30. The same manner. Last digit is what? Here 18 by first digit is what? 2 plus first digit minus 1. 2 minus 1. This one is what? Here 9. 2 minus 1 is what? 1. That means here 9 plus 1 is what? 10. Same manner. Last digit by first digit. First digit is what? 4 plus first digit minus 1. Now this one is what? Here 4, 6 are 24. Next one is what? 20 means what? 4, 5 are. That means 65 plus 3. Total is what? 68 is the answer. So answer is what? Option A. Question number 10, 20. Select the correct mirror image of the given figurine. Now if it is a mirror image, left is right and right is left. They given arrow marks are here right side. That means it should be left side if it is a mirror image. So this arrow mark should be left side. It should be west side, west facing. So here it is not there. Here also not there. But here it is there. Now here arrow mark is what? This middle one downside. Left is right, right is left means it should be downside only. But here they given upside. This one also no chance. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 21. 4 word pairs have been given, out of which 3 are some manner and 1 is different. Which one is the different? Friends, here intact and unflawed. Often these two are the synonyms. And these two are the synonyms. Bright and luminous. These two are also synonyms. Pure and perfect. These two are also synonyms. Now entire, partial. Entire means what? Complete. Partial means what? Some part. That means these two are the antonym. That means answer is what? Option B. Why means remaining 3 are synonyms. Question number 22. Here the again question is from Silax. Given statements are: all scanners are mouse. Take your scanner. This all scanner is a mouse. Some mouse is a printer. Take first conclusion. No printer is a scanner. No need to check. This one is simply wrong. And why means given two statements are positive means no chance to take negative conclusion. Wrong. Second one. Some printer are mouse. Some part of printer is mixed with here mouse. Yes, second one is correct. Third one. No scanner is a printer. This one also simply wrong. Why means given two statements are positive means no chance to take negative conclusion. So answer is what? Only second one follows. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 23. Select the correct option from the given option that arrange the following words in the logical and meaningful order. We are going to arranging in logical order. Suppose disease, junk food, medicine, healthy. Friends, first one is what? Junk food. So if you are going to take junk food, then you will get disease. That means 3-1. With 3-1 we are having one option. So answer is what? Option C. First one is junk food. By eating junk food, there is chance to get disease. After that, we are going to use medicine, then we are going to get healthy. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 24. Find the number of triangles in the given figure. Friends, here 1, 2, 3. Next this one 4, 5. Next the center one is what? 6. This one is 7. This one is 1, 8. That means how many triangles are there? 8 triangles. Option B is the answer.